Henry McClure Live. I think to be mayor, you got to be mayor of the whole town. But you can't forget, like, certain neighborhoods, like the east side here, right? Look at this. They've got a church in there. And the amount of people that go to that church is mind-blowing. But also, too, the Topeka Social. There's the vendors market. There's some storage buildings. Ironworks needs to be renovated. But everything from 8th Street to 5th Street, drive on that road. But here's what I'm saying. I don't want to fix that road just because I live on it and all these other people use it. Think about this. Our fleet for the county and our fleet from the city buy gas down at the end at 10th Street. So our vehicles are driving over the worst road in Topeka all the time. And so let's get ahead of the program. Less maintenance with better roads. $2.5 million so Molly Howie can do her little shenanigans. It's a waste of money. And when you start worrying about the nickels and dimes and just living better day to day, you'll stop giving money to the NGOs, the non-government organizations. Power to the people, baby. I'm like, hey, it's Holy Week. I got my Palm Sunday. Everybody's got to go to work hard so you can get a new Easter outfit. Amen. Hey, let's resurrect Topeka. We've crucified Topeka enough. I was telling somebody, if you look at Topeka and Shawnee County, just like the mall business, if you came here and talked to people, you wouldn't open up a business here. Henry McClure Live. I'll be at the Glass Houses studio. Got a big meeting with a developer later.